Hey guys, today we are going through the final part of the Aldenham 2015 maths paper. So without any further ado, let's get straight into these solutions and let's put our thinking caps back on. Now, for this question, we have to work out the perimeter of the shape below. And these questions are all about finding the missing values. Okay, so we have the missing value here and we have the missing value here. How do we work out what these missing values are? Well, we simply compare the other values that we see around the shape. So here we're told that the distance from here to here, or in other words, from here to here, is 8 centimeters. But here to here is only 5, which means the gap here to here must be 3. And we use that knowledge to fill in this value here, 3 centimeters. And much the same thing to work out this missing value. If this is 12, but all of this is 20, then this remaining part here must be 8. And therefore our missing value over here is 8 centimeters. And now we have everything we need to work out the perimeter, because the perimeter, remember, is the distance around the outside of the shape. We must cover every single side of the shape. So here we have 20 plus 5 plus 8 plus 3 plus 12 plus 8. So let's be careful, not make any silly mistakes. So 0 plus 5 is 5. 5 plus 8 is 13. 13 plus 3 is 16. Plus 2 is 18, plus 8 is 26. 6, carry the 2. 2 plus 2 plus 1, 5. 56 centimeters. That's how we can work out this perimeter question. So here for our final question, we are told to take a look at some of the deals that these vendors are giving us. So let's see how good these deals are. And in fact, we're told if we needed 3 tickets, we have to rank the vendors from cheapest to most expensive. So let's go through these vendors and let's see which one gives us the best deal, the best bang for our buck. So each ticket costs £480. So super tickets. Buy 2, get 1 free. That kind of works for us because we need 3 tickets, right? It's us and 2 friends. So we can buy those 2 for 480 times 2, which gives us £960. And we get the third one free anyway. So we get the third one free. So overall we get 3 tickets for £960. So let's just put the 960 right next to super tickets so we know very clearly how to compare these things. So super tickets, £960. Tickets are us. Buy 3, get 25% off total price. Awesome, let's see. So 48 times 3. We're going to do that so we can work out 480 times 3. Well, we have 50 times 3, giving us 150. But then we're not doing 50, we're doing 48. So from 150, we have to subtract the 2 difference multiplied by 3. So we subtract 6. So mental maths, we see 48, we think, okay, 48 is very close to 50. 50 times 3, 150. 150 minus the difference between 50 and 48, 2 times 3, 6. So we have 150 minus 6, 144. So 144, but of course it's not going to be 144, it's going to be 1440 or 1,440. But then we're told if we do this and we buy these 3 tickets, we get 25% off the total price. So how much do we get off? Well, what's 10%? It's going to be 144. So 5% is going to be half of that. It's going to be 72. And then 20% is going to be double that, which is going to be 288. So now we have all the components we need for 25% off. It's going to be this one plus this one. So let's add together 288 and 72. We could do it the normal way. So we have 8 plus 2 giving us 10, so 0 carry the 1. And then we have 8 plus 7 giving us 15, add the 1, 16. And then we have 2 plus 1 giving us 3, so 360. Or we could say that 288 plus 72. Well, we already have the convenient 8 and 2 giving us 10. So really it's just 280 plus 70 plus 10. So 280 plus 70, 350. 350 plus the 10 because we have the convenient 8 and 2. How convenient. Gives us 360. Either way, we get 360 off. So now we can work out the actual price. So we subtract that 360 from the 1440. 0, 0, 0. 4 minus 6 we can't do. So we take a 10 from the 4. 14 minus 6 gives us 8. 3 minus 3, 0, 1. So 1,080. So it's more expensive. And of course, another way we could have worked this out is instead of working out 25% and taking that off the total price, we could have simply worked out 75% of the total price from the very beginning. And in fact, in this particular case, it might have even been quicker to do it that way. But either way, it's good practice to know various methods to work out the same kind of question. So let's now move on to ticket galore. Let's clear up this space. Let's create some room. So what is Ticket Galore's offer? Buy one, get two at 40% off. Okay, so now we can use our technique that we described up here. Buy one for 480, cool. And then get two at 40% off. So two would cost us 960. But if we're getting 40% off, then that means we're only paying 60% of the actual price, right? So now let's work out that 60%, 60 over 100, that we're paying of the 960. So let's do some cancellation, some simplification of fractions. So first we can divide across this vertical, or we can take out rather a common factor of 10 and cancel those zeros. Then we can also take out the common factor of 10 across this diagonal, because remember, we can only take out common factors across the verticals here or the diagonals here. We can't do it horizontally. So we have 60 over 100. Those two zeros can cancel. Then here we can cancel out these two zeros. And we're left with 96 times 6, or 6 times 96. That's how much we're paying. Well, here we can do 6 times 90, giving us 540. And then 6 times 6, giving us 36. So 540 plus 36 is 576. So if we add these two together, we have 6 plus 0, or 0 plus 6, giving us 6. 8 plus 7 giving us 15, so 5 carry the 1. 1 plus 4 plus 5, 10. So 1,056. So it seems like currently super tickets truly are super. They're giving us a super price. So let's see if top tickets come top of the list. Buy two, get one half price. Well, it's not going to, we already know it's not going to be the cheapest, right? Because super tickets gave us buy two, get one free. This one is buy two, get one half price. So we already know that super tickets wins, but in order to work out the general order, we still have to work out how much this is going to be. So buy two, that will cost $9.60. Get one half price, which is $2.40. $9.60 plus $2.40. Well, it's going to be $1,100 if you do 900 plus 200. And then 60/40 is 100, so it's going to be 1,200. Mental maths. It will help you in your exam. Now we can rank this. If we get a quick drum roll, the cheapest provider, the cheapest vendor is going to be Super Tickets. Let's put it number one here. Then we have Tickets Galore, Tickets R Us, finally Top Ticket, which was actually bottom ticket in this question. So that's our answer. And that's how you work it out. And that is the end of this paper. Okay, so that is all for today. Make sure you like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so that you're the first to know when the next video is released. And on that note, I will see you all next time.